What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars. And in today's episode, I'm going to be reviewing the Turtle Wax 75th anniversary ceramic paste wax. The good friends over there sent me this and I want to check it out. So let's jump into the video. So this is Turtle Wax 75th anniversary, and in celebration of that, they did a commemorative 75th anniversary lid for the ceramic graphene infused paste wax. If you're not familiar with graphene, I have a few videos, and I'll link those in the description down below, going over their other graphene infused products. But this is a new product. It's unique because it has 10 different waxes in this one product, and that's to provide a very high gloss, extreme slickness, UV protection, and overall durability. So they say this is going to last somewhere about a year plus on your vehicle once you apply it. This is something that you want to apply probably once a year to provide good protection on your vehicle through all the seasons. Let's go ahead and try this and put it on the car. So as usual, you're going to use some microfiber cloths as well as a foam applicator. You can use this product with a DA polisher, but I'm going to just go ahead and try it with the applicator because it is supposed to be easy on and easy off, which is actually a good thing because with most paste wax, or a lot of them, you have to put it on, let it haze over, and it's kind of some work to get it off. Let's check it out, see what we get. So just reading directions on the back, wash and dry your car as always. Spread a thin, even coat waxing of wax using an applicator over one section at a time. Allow product to dry and do a light haze, and then wipe off with a microfiber cloth. Also, you're going to use a separate microfiber cloth to buff it up to a high gloss. Now, this is not recommended for plastic or rubber, although if you get it on there, you will be able to get it off. And for best results, you always want to do your clay bar and your one and done polish to get all the contaminants out. This is going to be on for some time, so you do want to get the best finish underneath it as possible. So let's go ahead and apply. I'm just using my applicator, just seeing how soft. So it's like a butter consistency. So it's kind of hard to see on the gray car. But this thing smells so good. It really smells like candy. All right, so I got some on here. I'm gonna try to catch a good angle so you can see it. We're gonna let this dry. We're not really dry, but we're gonna let it haze over and then we're gonna buff it out. All right, so it was pretty easy to get off. Sometimes with this wax, it is hard to get this stuff off once it has hazed over. So I'm just gonna continue on for the rest of the hood. This is a 5.5 ounce container, and it looks like the product goes quite a long way. So you should be able to have this for some time. All right, so now we did the whole hood, it's hazed over. Let's wipe it off and then buff it up. And to get it off a little easier, you may want to take a moist microfiber cloth first and then use your second dry, clean towel to buff it out. But this is working pretty good for me, so I'm just gonna go with this. All right, so now buff it out. And we're good. Already it feels very smooth, very slick. Nice, 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 nice. After putting it on the hood, I'm gonna do the whole car and then I'm gonna let it dry for 24 hours. And then we'll do the water test just to see how it behaves. So 24 hours, we come back. All right, so it's the next day. We let it dry for about 24 hours. Now we're going to see how it repels the water and the beading that occurs as a result of the wax. So let's get into it. So as you can see, it is beading off really, really well. All right, so there you have it. As you can see, the repellency is very nice. Slickness, smooth, beads up very nicely. So if you like this product, I have a link down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me that thumbs up, as well as click that subscription button. And don't forget to click that notification bell, that way you don't miss out on any future videos. And as always, do it until you can't. Until next time, I'm out.